We've named them Tender and Juicy.
No, he's called them Tender Juicy.
After the hot dogs here. We found Tender today, but we can't find Juicy.
Yeah.
Buko, buko.
Only 100 calories per bottle as well. San Miguel Light.
Shut up.
San Miguel, sponsor the video. Cheers.
Good morning, everyone. It's currently 6:30 in the morning. But this is our view. So stunning.
They just delivered our breakfast.
Yeah.
Little boat.
Lovely. And this is our view this morning. We are about to go on a full day tour. Our breakfast has just been delivered. It's very early for us to be having breakfast, but we have to eat something because we're going to be on this tour for until lunchtime. So we are currently just about to tuck in. So yeah, this is the gorgeous view this morning. This is the gorgeous breakfast. Wow. What do you think of the view this morning?
It's pretty terrible.
Yeah.
I much prefer grey London to this.
Let's eat. What are we doing, Nick?
We're walking to a lake, which name I've forgotten, but we have to go up like 300 stairs to get there.
So there's an amazing viewpoint. So we're going to keep walking up the stairs until we get there.
Squidgy water shoes.
WW bought. This isn't even the view, is it? We're almost halfway to the view. What do you think so far?
Yeah, so far so good. Beautiful. There's a bird.
Crazy cave. What do you think?
Wow. Have a look at my kingdom.
I'm not brave enough to stand on that rock. Wow. Oh, these are like the rock formations you can see in the water. Apparently there's no fish out here. Just... appearing.
It's easier to do it backwards, isn't it?
Yeah.
What an incredible place. Look where we are. Look at this. What do you think?
I think it's beautiful. I think it's hard to swim with these life vests on.
Well, you don't really swim, you just lay. Also, the water, as you said, is... I wouldn't describe it as like warm. It's not like the hot springs.
It's warmer than, the sea that we've had in the south of France, for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah, but it's definitely like you can get in it and it's not uncomfortable at all.
Yes.
When you get in. So
It's nice and refreshing, actually, because it's so humid out today.
yeah, and it gets you away from the mosquitoes. So Mish, where have we come to?
We have come to Barracuda Lake, which is just as beautiful as the last one. We're kind of going from beautiful place to beautiful place.
It's a hard life, isn't it?
I know, but compared to sort of last time, the rock formations are really beautiful. So this time we've got snorkels and we have our underwater camera gear, so you're going to see some rock formations.
Let's do it. Crazy. Look at this place. Unbelievable. So nice. What do you think, Misha?
It's amazing. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
We've been blessed with the sunshine this afternoon in Twin Lagoons, which is our first stop of the afternoon tour. We're going to be seeing a lot more, including a shipwreck, more snorkelling, more just beautiful shots to give you FOMO, really. But what do you think?
I should say we are using the camera without any flotation device on whatsoever. If it sinks here, we're screwed. What do I think? I think it is absolutely amazing. It's just exactly what you imagine, you know, when you search Philippines on TikTok or watch YouTube videos. People aren't doing kind of camera trickery to get it to look amazing. It is just like postcard. I'm talking the best of the best. I almost can't believe we're here, to be honest.
It's just so, like, now that the sun's maybe gone a bit away, I think it's just so funny, like, when I really look back on this trip, obviously, even though this is the Philippines, of course, like, it feels poles apart from the hustle and bustle of Makati and BGC and even just, like, in Laguna, like, everything there are so many different parts of the Philippines, and we're so grateful that we could see so many different parts of it. But I was about to say to see all parts of it, but we haven't.
Oh my God.
We haven't even scratched the surface, as we always say.
Not even a little bit.
In this series, but we're just living our best life right now.
Yeah.
We've started off 2025
in the best possible way.
Yeah.
And as we record this, it's currently snowing pretty much everywhere in England. So
sorry,
yeah.
Sorry, friends.
Luckily, by the time we edit this and you're watching it, probably won't be snowing anymore. Well,
yeah.
You can never say never in England, to be honest. But yeah, what a way to start the year.
I'm just, hang on, take my sunglasses off. It's just so beautiful. I'm currently drinking a coconut, sitting on a rock on a white sand beach. Coron is just so beautiful. Nick's flying a drone. Yeah, I just feel completely at ease. I feel like this is just the perfect way to sort of, I know we're not finishing the holiday, but this is like kind of the tail end of it, and this is just what we're looking at. I don't know if there's anything else that I could say to convince people to come to the Philippines apart from this. last beach of the day. This is actually the beach that we came to yesterday when a thunderstorm
With the 2 dogs
was
who
happening.
I love. We've named them Tender and Juicy.
No, he's called them Tender Juicy.
After the hot dogs here. We found Tender today, but we can't find Juicy.
Yeah.
Anyway.
We are on the beach, we've got our beers, we're just about to watch the sunset.
It is there, it's just behind the clouds at the moment, but it will be back.
You'll get better views in a minute, but cheers, big ears.
Only 100 calories per bottle as well. San Miguel Light.
Shut up. You can kind of see like the light peeking through.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers, Nick. Come on in.
So blessed.
There we
I don't know
are.
if we can get everyone in the shot.
Let's go get further out.
Cheers. Coron.
San Miguel, sponsor the video. Cheers.
Our last night in paradise.
Boo.
How are you feeling?
Grateful to have been here, but equally gutted that the stay is not for another 6 months.
Yeah. I know, awful. But we have been very indulgent and we have ordered our last meal into our houseboat.
The Last Supper, yeah.
I know. So obviously last night we went to the restaurant, but we were like, let's just enjoy this all to ourselves.
Yeah. Why not?
So we
What
have
did you get? Come on.
quite the spread. So I have gone for sinigang again for the final night because it was really good, but this time with tanige white fish. You have gone also for fish, but very different.
Yeah. I have gone for fish and chips, mate.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely great.
Yeah.
We've got some grilled prawns over there, some hummus with some pita breads, and the desserts come all at the same time as well. So we've got leche flan, which we have been absolutely desperate to have since we've gotten here. And we've also got brownies and turon, and we're just getting ready to tuck in.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Let's eat.